You're looking here at this cooler, which is also a wine cooler. The temperature ranges between 41 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 and 32 degrees Celsius. In order to change the temperature, you can't just hit the buttons there. You have to hit the set button. When you hear that beeps, hold it in. You hear it beep, then you can change. That's a safety feature for it doesn't get changed without you wanting it to, which is cool. It also, just to set that, it also has a light system as well. You can see the light turns on, off with the touch of that button. And it will stay on for 10 minutes, so then it shuts off automatically. The glass is very thick in here. It's about as thick as the door. With the little lip there, you see that, but it is very thick. You can see how thick it is here. So it has great insulation and a very good seal all around as well. This is running now, so this is the loudest it is, and it is whisper quiet, so I like that feature. I love the black design. The door shuts very easy, and you can easily pull it out from any area here on the side as well. So I think that's really cool. Over here in the back, I'll leave you see the back here. Back is very simple. You're cooling whatever that motor's called there, and your Freon or whatever's in there. So this is the other information here of what this is, but I find it to work very well. Very pleased with this, and yeah, so it definitely does what it's supposed to do and does it very well. The glass has a, I would say, a very slight tint to it there as well, which I like. And very slim. It fits in most areas where you could want to place it. I think that's a cool feature as well. So just wanted to show it to you, describe it for you, like see it firsthand.